So if you are pro at Riddim, please don't watch this video. Sup guys, it's your boy Skedda and this is another Exo Skedda episode. In this episode I'm gonna show you a few basic stuff with Riddim. It's not gonna be something very professional, it's gonna be a waste of your time. But if you think that you can take a few things and you get starting right now, this is the video for you, I suppose, why not? So let's get started guys. Well, the first thing that I want is a kick, so that's our kick, it's gonna be our kick. Then I'm gonna need a snare. Then what we want to do is use a little bit of EQ in this snare. Actually not a little bit, but after we're done with the kick and the snare, what we need is a few percussions. Let's go take some percussions. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything else with the drums. I want to just open the serum and making the bass. Why not? The best part coming. Well, let's see what we can do. Let's FM this here. Guys, just to know, delay, for those of you who don't know, if you are a pro, okay, you can turn off the video, it's fine. For those of you who don't know, delay, it's the magic sauce, the magic Riddim sauce actually, delay. But using it like that, linked at 24 and a lot of mix and feedback. You know what I mean, huh? Actually, no, I'm gonna use a sub from here. Triplets? Yes or no? Your call. Let's see how it sounds with triplets. no triplets. So this is gonna be our first sound. Yes, we're gonna make more, of course. Okay, I think it goes actually pretty well. Why not? Let's see what else we can do. And that was just with the two most basic wavetables ever. Imagine what you can do by using any of all of this. Why not? Okay, now let's go a little bit. Slugs. No slugs. No. Vomit. Free vomit. Why not? No. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Flanges are, I think, is probably the best. Let's see. Pick up some mix and then a little bit of distortion. Maybe some compression. A little bit of delay as always. Delay is the magic sauce, as we said. A little bit of reverb, why not? Not a lot, keep low the mix. And I think I'm not gonna use any filter on this one. I mean, I like how it sounds already. Okay. That's one thing. What else will I show you? Should I make a third rhythm bass? Okay, I'm gonna make a third one. Why not? It's easy. You see what I did here. It's actually pretty easy. Oh yeah. Let's try something like this. Why not? And how does this sound alone?
guys, tell me your thoughts in the comments. These basses were actually, as you saw, it was easy. I know that. But tell me your thoughts. Would you like me to try something else with Riddim? I don't know, maybe make something more 2019 Riddim. This is the old style, the classic old style of Riddim. So let me know.
So guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was a little bit simple. I know it was simple, but you know, in the next videos I'm gonna try to do something a little bit more impressive for you, like 2019 style Riddim. Yeah. So see you next time, and also don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.